everyone. Mama Africa is here. Mama Africa is back. I've always been with you guys, It's just that I've been busy lately, and then I have a second channel, which is a beauty channel. So that's why, but I'm here. So today, husband is feeling like eating bacon. So he wants to eat bacon for lunch. So today, he was like, I had enough of African food. Like, I want to change a little bit. So he's kind of going back to his American style. So today I'm going to show you guys 2 recipes for bacon. So this is the bacon strips here. I have my salad here. Marble bread, which I'll be using for the sandwich with the bacon. Avocado, fresh eggs for the bacon, and then waffles, blueberry waffles. I'll be using these for the second recipes. And for the spicy, I'm using black pepper. So yeah, this is my water. It's boiling already. So I'll be cutting the bacon strips and boil the strips until it starts grilling. So let's start now. Okay, I hope you guys can see. So I'll take the bacon one by one and cut it into 2, like so. See here, cutting into 2. Take the next one. Right here, we're going to add our bacon in. So remember, you don't have to add any oil. The bacon oil is gonna come naturally, and fry it for you. And do not put the heat on high. After this, I have to cook. I don't want to eat bacon today. I want to eat fried rice. I'm just thinking, like, should I do jollof or fried rice? So yeah, so our bacon is boiling. So I will show you guys there, like when the water is finishing and when it's grilling. Okay, stay tuned. So you guys, you see now the water is finished. You see, now the bacon has released the oil, the fat was converted into oil. And now, see, my heat is on low heat, that's 4 or 5. So yeah, let it cook on low heat. And yeah, you see it's turning brown. So continue this until it's brown, and yeah. Okay, you guys, our bacon is ready. See this, very soft and crispy at the same time. You see, that's what we want our bacon to be. Yeah, so now it's ready. I'm gonna break my egg and fry it. Okay, I'm gonna add black pepper inside. Yes, just a little bit. Because the bacon is already salty, so we're not gonna add any salt in the egg. Yes. So now the oil is ready already. I took the oil from the bacon. This is the second one that was left, So when you are cooking for the first time, you add water, so the bacon itself is gonna release the egg and the oil, and then so like whenever you're frying for the second time, then you just need just to put it in the oil. So now I'm gonna add the egg here. Yes. Scrambled egg. Go this way. You can normally eat this. You can normally eat this for breakfast or lunch. Yeah. Okay. So our scrambled egg is ready. I'm gonna add it here. So this is the avocado right here. We're gonna mash it and make it mashed avocado, like the same way what you see in a Subway, you know. So then we're not gonna add anything like salt or so now mash the avocado. Gonna make it mashed. Okay, avocado is mashed now. So I'm gonna start with the bread here. I'm gonna toast it. I'm gonna toast our waffle. Normally, with a waffle, you need cheese, but he's not eating cheese, and you know, so I think we're just gonna use mayonnaise instead of the cheese, or I think it's vinegar or something like that. This is the lettuce right here, the lettuce, and I added this steakhouse dressing in it. Okay, you guys, so now that the bacon, the salad, the avocado, the egg, it's ready, let's get started. Let me prepare this yummy lunch for husband. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna start in with the waffle. I'm gonna start in with the waffle. I'm going to add a paste of avocado. He's gonna love it, I know. Right? So now I'm adding the scrambled eggs. And bacon. Crispy. You guys, wow. He's gonna love it. Take that and cover it. So that's it for the waffle. Now we're gonna go with the sandwich. Same procedure. Avocado. I'll test it with you guys too. Now the salad. I have to show you guys. I think I have to eat it in front of you so you can see how this is bacon. Crispy. This is really crispy. Right? Can close it. Nice sandwich. So I'm gonna do a waffle for myself. So I'll show you, I'll eat it and tell you, because like for me I like more, I like African dishes. I'm not too much Western foods, but because I did it, so I have to show you guys. Yeah, just a little bacon. Yeah. Okay. So I'll show you guys right now. Hi you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. So I'm going to taste this in front of you guys and see how it tastes like. So you're invited. Actually, I never tasted bacon with waffles, but you guys, I like the avocado in it and the blueberry in it kind of match everything. So you have the salty bacon and the sweet strawberry. You guys, I'm inviting you to do this in your home. Morning, lunch, or why not even dinner? Okay. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. I also have a beauty channel which is called the Chucky. I'm gonna leave link this video here or here. I don't know. It's gonna pop somewhere up. You can check my beauty channel. See you and bye.